Hey y'all, it's your girl Kayla K, and I'm back with another video. I've been having some technical issues, y'all, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna have uploads twice a week, and I'm trying to upload them every Wednesday and Friday, so make sure you turn your notification bell on to see when I'm dropping a new video. And today I'm gonna actually show you how to do a glueless unit. The unit was actually already made, but I am going to show you how to make it glueless. So if you have a unit that you already use and you were previously using glue on it and you want to make it glueless, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do that. And if you want to see how, make sure you stay tuned. I'm always burning myself, y'all. So right now I'm actually blow drying my hair out so I can braid it down and put a wig cap on. So yeah, I'm just getting it really straight as possible. So right now I'm prepping my hair. I'm about to actually braid it down slightly. My nails are super duper long, so my braids be looking like dookie braids. I literally just put them in 2 French braids and grease my scalp really good and just put a wig cap on before I'm actually about to do a wig install. Alright guys, so this is a unit that I actually, it's like a front lace unit. So it's 13 by 4. So it's not full lace, it's just front lace. I'm gonna actually clean the glue off of this, and I'm gonna make this a glueless unit. I'm gonna show you how to lay your baby hairs and what glueless really means. It's hot outside, so I don't want to continue to glue this down, and I can achieve the same look with the glueless unit. So I'm gonna show you how. And to get started, what you're gonna need is an elastic band. I got this off of Amazon, and I got a whole roll. It was actually bigger than this when I first got it. So if you wear wigs a lot, or you see yourself making, units into glueless units quite often, I would invest in this. It was only like $8, I think. So I'll leave a link to this below, and I got it from Amazon. I've already done, so all I'm gonna do is pretty much measure another wig that I've already made glueless. I'm gonna measure the band because it fits snug on my head, and is a good length to make this a good glueless unit. So I'm pretty much just going to measure this and cut it the same length. If you're doing it for the first time and you don't have a wig to kind of like guide yourself by, my best suggestion would be to measure your head and make it tighter, extremely tighter. So I'm gonna measure, and I can actually kind of pull this down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the unit I'm going off of, and I'm just gonna go from here to here. So here to pretty much here. All right, so I'm about to cut it to where the other one is at. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact, but this is a good fit for me, so yep. So I'm done. So I'm gonna sew this part onto the other wig. Okay, so this is how the band turned out, and I'll kind of show you like what it looks like from the back. So I'm gonna turn around. Okay, so from this ear to this ear, this is how it stretches. Normally I'm going to go like this because this is where the wig is probably going to stretch to, where I actually sew it at. It'll be like right here. So it's actually pretty tight. It's not tight to where it's like about to squeeze my head or I might have headaches. It's not that tight, but it's tight enough so that it's a tight, secure, glueless band. So I'm going to take my unit, wherever I put it. Actually, I'll be right back because it's over there. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I've cleaned off the lace area. So you saw what it looked like before. This is what it looks like after. All I used was washcloth and a 50% alcohol. So now it's time to pretty much sew the band on so that we can make this glued units a glueless unit. So really all you need is an elastic band. I like the thick one better because it doesn't irritate the back of my head and it's very comfortable, and a needle and thread. So I've already threaded this needle. I'm gonna just tie a knot at the bottom as such. Not tied. All right, I'm gonna move my camera a little bit lower so that you can see what I'm actually doing. Yeah. Okay. So I'm pretty much probably going to sew this. I don't want it to be on my ear tabs. So I may sew it like right here, like on this band thingy, because it still has adjustable straps in the back, which is really good. But since I'm sewing the band across, I may sew it like right in this area. I don't want to sew it on here just because I kind of want my ear tabs to be out so that if I do want to wear like an up down style, I can. All right. So I think I'm going to sew it like right there. So this is where my ear tab is. I'm sewing it right below it. Yeah, I need a new needle. And it's like, I stock up on this stuff every time I go to the beauty supply store, but it seems like I never, ever either have enough or I lose it. So what I'm doing, I'm pulling this straight through as such, and I'm going to go now back through here very close to where I already sewed it. Y'all, my freaking, it stopped recording in the middle of me. I'm so sorry, y'all. My freaking video cut off while I was doing my baby hairs, but I actually have a tutorial on that. So if you want to see how to lay your baby hairs, make sure you check out my other video. I'll link it below in the description box. But so I pretty much laid these baby hairs down. I'm about to curl my hair really quickly while that is setting, and then I'll actually do, like, you know, the whole little pull back and pull up so that you can see the glueless. It's gonna look like it's glued down, laid, dyed, and fried to the side, but it's actually not. So, and yeah, so I'm done with this. Sorry. I'm done with that. I'm about to actually curl my hair and just put a few curls in it. Sorry, y'all, I need to be more prepared. I will link the link to actually find this. This is what I use to keep my flyaways down, because that'd be a whole nother issue. A whole nother issue. Don't talk about me using this toothbrush because I don't know where my big bristle brush is right now. You improvise, okay? That's what you do. All right. All right, so I'm gonna actually finish curling my hair really quick. I'm just about to put some loose body waves in this. I may do a video on this in the future because a couple people always ask me like, oh, how you curl your hair? Like I said, y'all, I be talking too much, so I just had to mute myself. But all I'm doing right here is literally throwing some curls in my hair really quick so that y'all can see this look. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. I'm going to just comb through with the wide tooth comb. I have a bigger one, but I don't know what it's at. So y'all can kind of see. Okay, look like. Sorry. That's really just okay. All right, y'all, so in the middle of cutting this off, normally when I first take it off, I just kind of soften the baby hairs up so it don't look so hard with a brush. Okay, I don't know why these look like crazy. Sometimes baby hairs can be like the hardest thing to do. Okay, so this would either, yes, readjust the camera. All right, so there we go. You can see it up close, up personal. This is how it looks, but it's glueless, so I'm about to show you. Alright guys, so you see how it is. It's tight. Got the baby hairs laid, curls done. It's not going nowhere, honestly. I mean, it's not. It's tight to my head. It feels secure. So I'm gonna do the little 1-2 so I can show y'all. You know, that's how they be on Instagram. Ooh. And they be like, ooh. So really, y'all, it's really just the band. So that's what makes it tight and secure to your head. As long as you know how to maintain the baby hairs throughout your install or your glueless wig, and you know how to keep that up, there goes your glueless unit. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful or you liked it, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks. See you on the next one.